However, the Kilimanjaro journey came back and made me realize is that there's something more to it that I want to achieve. My dad had furniture stores at that moment, retail, and I went and joined the family business, grew it from 6 stores to over 50 stores, and 50 employees to over 500. And I came out of an environment of growing business, growing teams, understanding the dynamics, especially in South Africa, where we have multicultural, over 12, 13, 14 cultures that you have to manage, everyone with different beliefs, different mindsets. Never in my mind I ever thought I would do what I do today. I thought I will build a family business. However, the Kilimanjaro journey came back and made me realize is that there's something more to it that I want to achieve. I had this burning desire to do more. So I left the family business. My younger brother today is the CEO and running that. And I decided, okay, I want something where, like, when I came back from Kilimanjaro, my whole life changed. How do we create an environment like that with the right communication, the right mindset, and the right strategies? That's what got me excited that I wanted to share that to the world.